Hello dear friends, myself Professor Khodde Rishikesh and you are watching BSc Botany Studies Classes channel. Here we are going to discuss about, as I have highlighted on the screen, about the chromosome. So chromosome, what are these chromosomes is very famous question among the students. Many students fail to understand actually what is chromosome. Chromosome is supermolecule. Supermolecule. In our day-to-day life, we listen the words such as Superman, supercar, super lifestyle. Means it indicates which is something one step ahead. Likewise, chromosomes are supermolecule. Why? Because these are made up of two macro molecules. Two macromolecules when comes together, they will create supermolecule. Chromosome is one example of supermolecule. Likewise, we have many other supermolecules. For example, we have plasma membrane is one kind of supermolecule which is very famous. We have ribosome, which is also a supermolecule which is very famous. So which are the component of plasma membrane? You know very well, protein plus lipid. Lipid is one type of macromolecule, protein is type of macromolecule. When two macromolecule comes together, they create supermolecule, that is plasma membrane. Here in ribosome, you have RNA and protein comes together, they create ribosome, which is supermolecule. So in chromosome, which are the macromolecules are present? Obviously, it contains DNA and protein. This DNA is one macromolecule, this protein is one macromolecule. When these comes together, they create one supermolecule, that is we call as chromosome. But one thing I would like to highlight here, that is in our biological system we have two types of organism. Which are the two types of organisms we have? We have prokaryotic organisms and we have eukaryotic organisms. That's it. On this planet, there are only two types of organisms, prokaryote and eukaryote. In eukaryote, you will have many different types of organisms are present. On the basis of kingdom system, you have studied in your first semester FYBSc, first paper, while lichen study, I have highlighted all the kingdom system. Please go and watch that video. Okay, here we have prokaryote and eukaryote. Chromosomes in these two organisms are different. In prokaryote, you will have circular chromosome. In prokaryote, you will have circular chromosome. In eukaryote, you will have this type of chromosome. Linear chromosome. Circular chromosome in prokaryote, linear chromosome and eukaryote. We are going to discuss in this part about the eukaryote types of chromosome. Which are the types of eukaryotic chromosomes? This is very easy lecture. You will find very interesting. So on the basis of this, what is this? Yes. On the basis of position of the centromere. Please remember this. Please highlight this word. Please write in your notebook that on the basis of position of centromere in chromosome, you will have different types of chromosomes. Okay. So what does it means actually? In our human system, we have how many chromosomes? 46 chromosomes in our cell. These 46 chromosomes are arranged in 23 pairs. We have 23 pairs of 46 chromosomes. Each pair contains 2 chromosomes. That is very well known. Everyone knows that. We have numbering. We have numbering for this pair. The photograph I have presented on the screen is very beautiful photograph. The photograph showing all 23 pairs in human being cell. Each pair contain 2 chromosomes, means we have 46 chromosome in this diagram. We have numbering system. The largest chromosome is denoted as number 1. Largest chromosome will contain homologous chromosome. Homologous chromosomes you know very well, in genetics you must have studied. They contain alleles for one gene. 2 alleles we have. So this is not point of our discussion. I don't want to make it confusion. So we have largest chromosome is dedicated as number 1 and smallest chromosome is number 46, or you can say 23rd pair. 23rd pair will be the smallest one and first pair will be the largest one. So we have this chromosome. Okay, we have said that types of chromosomes on the basis of the position of the centromere. Whatever we have discussed here is known as, in biological term, please write this word in your notebook and remember this. In competitive exam they generally ask this question. The numbering of chromosome on the basis of their size and types of chromosome on the basis of the position of centromere comes under the branch of biology known as karyotype analysis. Karyotype. Okay. So we have different types of chromosomes. Which are different types? Let's see. On the basis of position of centromere. If centromere is present exact in the center of the chromosome, means equal distant arm, this is centromere and these are known as arms. If both arms are of same size, this is known as metacentric chromosome. What is difficult in this? It is very easy. Metacentric chromosome means which is containing centromere at the center of the chromosome. Because of this we have equal size of arms. But if one arm is shorter, one arm is longer, one arm is shorter and one arm is longer, then you will have submetacentric chromosome. Again you can have very small one arm and very long another arm. Then it is again can be distincted as submetacentric chromosome. But remember, submetacentric chromosome again have another type here. Then we have chromosome to which only one arm is present. There is no another arm, means only one arm is present. Such type of chromosome are known as telocentric chromosome. This lecture is very easy to remember. On the screen I have presented you where you have different types of chromosome on the basis of what you have to remember here, on the basis of position of centromere and length of the arm. We have different types of chromosome. That's it. In this lecture just we have to see what is chromosome. Many additional information I have provided you. I am sure this lecture must be helpful for you. In next lecture we will discuss about the RNA type, different RNAs which are present inside the cell, which are very important. Which are these RNA, how they function is the topic of discussion in next lecture. So subscribe the channel and stay tuned. Thank you for watching this video. Bye.